I just want to be fast, make it very quick and simple. Nobody told me this part of YouTube. Post more, just be patient. Nobody warned me that YouTube can mess with your confidence, can make you feel invisible, and still expect you to show up smiling. Like, how on earth is that happening?
Explain. Kaya, no evidence.
If you're a small content creator and you have ever thought, is YouTube even worth it? This video is for you because today I am going to be telling you the ugly side of YouTube nobody talks about on this YouTube. Guys, I have been on this YouTube for about 1 year plus, since 2024. Yes, and no, this is not to discourage you. It is to protect your mindset so you don't quit too early before your time comes on this YouTube, like most people do. So by the end of this video, you will understand why YouTube feels unfair sometimes and how to survive it as a small content creator. Now, the ugly truth is that you are going to feel invisible on this YouTube. Yes, let me talk about the most painful one. Let's say, for example, you post a video and every single day you are refreshing your YouTube studio, you find out that you are getting 10 views, 15 views, 20 views, and maybe 27 views. And you start thinking, did YouTube even show this particular video to anyone? But the ugly truth is that YouTube doesn't even care about you. It doesn't even care how long you spent in making the script. Not because you are bad, not because you don't have a good content idea, not because you are shadow banned, but because YouTube doesn't even know you. As a small content creator, you are invisible at first. When I started this my channel, I was invisible at first until this video you are seeing up here started picking up. That's bring my channels to life and people started noticing my channel. I also remember posting a video that took me hours to edit, like the editing, the thumbnail, the titles, and the worst part is YouTube doesn't even show it to nobody. And also the worst part is you will see people with worse videos getting more views, more traction, and that alone even hurts me. So my question right now is, have you ever posted a video you were proud of and it's just dead? Yeah, that's the ugly face. You take time posting a video, buying data, everything at the end, that video will flip. Another ugly truth is that consistency alone won't even save you. But I know this one is going to shock you. See, YouTube gurus will tell you, including me, just be consistent. Nobody tells you that consistent bad strategy still gives you bad results. You can post every week for 6 months, every month, every year, and still feel stuck. Why? Because YouTube doesn't even reward the effort. You can be posting every day and you are having a bad strategy. You will stay invisible. YouTube only rewards the viewer satisfaction. I used to think if I should just post more, YouTube will notice me. If I've reached 100 videos, 200 videos, but I didn't know I was wrong. Like, I was making the wrong mindset. YouTube noticed me only when my title spoke to a real problem, or I'm actually targeting audience pain points, and my intro stop wasting time, like I go straight to the point, and also my video actually held attention. Consistency helps. Yes, once you have clarity and improvement, they can actually help you more. Yes, so if you are consistent and you are not posting it with clarity, my brother, my sister, you are going to be on this YouTube and nobody is going to wake you from sleep. You'll be dreaming, you will be on your slumber, you'll be on your dreaming when you are monetized, but nobody is going to wake you. You'll still be on that dream. Imagination will warm are you. Now that alone will take us to the third truth. Growth on YouTube is mentally exhausting. Yes, on this YouTube, nobody warns you about this part. YouTube will test your mental strength. One day you are motivated by one creator or from somebody. The next day you are doubting yourself. You start asking, am I not good enough? Should I quit? Is this even for me? Is YouTube worth for me? Am I cursed? Am I unlucky? Like, you compare yourself with other big creators, with people that started after you, even channels that blow up overnight, and comparison will drain you. But the ugly truth is, YouTube growth is slow and steady until it's fast. But most people quit before the fast part. Yes, because that fast part is like climbing a mountain. Yes. And another fourth one is you are an experiment. Yes. This one will hurt your ego. YouTube is testing you. Your videos are not failing, they are data. YouTube is asking who clicks this, who watches this, who leaves after 10 seconds. If the answer is almost nobody, YouTube pulls it back. Yes, they are going to pull it back. Now, that doesn't mean you are untalented or you are an illiterate. Your channel is dead. You should start a new channel. Yes. I remember this my channel. I abandoned this channel after YouTube took it down and I opened this particular channel you are watching this video right now. I got frustrated and at that time I needed more informations and every video is a feedback, even the painful ones. Another one is that people around you won't get it. They won't understand the pain you are feeling. See, I so much love YouTube, and I don't know why one of my elder sister is asking me why I love YouTube more than Facebook. I know it feels personal. Friends will ask you how much you have made. Family will say, are you still doing that YouTube of a thing? While it is, nobody sees it. The late night, the learning curves, the mental issues, and sometimes they will make you feel stupid for trying. But remember this, people only respect results, not vision. Only stay focused. And why does most small creators on this YouTube quit? Let me tell you why most people don't make it on this YouTube. Not because they are bad, not because YouTube hates them, but because they always expect fast results. They take low views personally. Whenever they have low views, they will take it to their heart. They don't improve intentionally. See, YouTube only rewards those who last and those who do it with intentionality. And the truth they don't tell you is if you survive this ugly side of YouTube, you are already ahead of 90% of creators. Now, once YouTube understand who your audiences is, what problem you actually solve on your channel, why people watch you, and the things that are making people to love your channel, things is going to change fast. And the ugly face is temporal, it doesn't last forever. So if this video helped you, if it give you that insight, if it inspire you and you feel understood, you are not alone. I am in this with you. If this helped you, subscribe if you are a small creator who wants real YouTube growth, no fake motivation, honest advice, and comment below what's the ugliest part of YouTube for you right now, especially in this year 2026. I read every comment down in the comment section. Thank you, and that is all I want to spill out right now because right now I am drained. It's already getting late, so I needed to make this video right now and post it. So thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.